Look at this girl. She is so excited. It seems she wants to tell us about something. Hi there, my name is Janet, and I'm 14. I've just got back from the Sealand Camp, California, and I can't wait to tell you about my adventures there. Though you know, a picture is worth 1,000 words. So I'll show you some pictures I've taken too. Of course, it's always more fun to spend time in a good company, so let me introduce you to my new friends I met there. These are Alice, Jack and Linda. We had millions of adventures together. The camp we've been to is placed near a beautiful beach, so there are lots of water activities. You can do anything you want to. Sailing. Look at those gorgeous yachts. Wave riding. I guess Jack was the best of us in it. Water skiing. Look at Linda. She's so funny here. But sometimes I just had no mood for all these things, and it was better just to spend some time sunbathing. I'm sure you like my tan. It's becoming to me. Oh, how could I forget? One of the most wonderful days of my life was the day we went to Legoland, a huge park with lots of hair-raising rides. I have bought some souvenirs there for my classmates. You know, the 2 weeks I spent there seem like a few days to me. Hope I'll be there next year too. Do you want to go with me? It's rather easy to reserve a place at the camp. You should. Call there. Tell them your name and when you would like to come. Tell them about some specific classes you would like to have there. Tell them your contacts, email for example, to complete the booking, to send a deposit in order to reserve your place, and they will send you back details of their bank account. That's it. Easy, don't you think? Looking forward to seeing you there next summer. So, do you like Janet's story? She's a very impressive girl and uses lots of adjectives in her speech. They make her description more interesting. Try to use them in speaking and writing too. Now, let's learn some grammar. Today, we will learn the difference between has gone and has been. Janet has gone to the Sealand Camp. It means she's gone there and she's still there and having a good time, I'm sure. Janet has been to the Sealand Camp a few times. It means she was there in the past. Now, unfortunately, she is already at home. Now you know how you can spend your summer holidays in the best way. Hope we will hear about your adventures soon.